How to turn off voice to text on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messages app and draft a message. Here, as you can see beside the text box, there is a microphone button, which is the voice to text option. So, if you want to disable this, then launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General, and then tap on the keyboard option. Further scroll down and under the Dictation tab you will see the Enable Dictation toggle button. Go ahead and toggle off the Enable Dictation toggle button, and now if you go back to Messages, you will not see the microphone button anywhere, which means the voice to text has been disabled. So, this is how you can turn off voice to text on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.